Want to attract wealth and happiness? Discover proven law of attraction techniques that can transform your life. The law of attraction uses your thoughts and emotions to bring your desires into reality. Focus on positive outcomes to attract wealth and happiness. Here are the top techniques. Set clear intentions. Be specific about your goals. Daily visualization. Imagine your success every day. Positive affirmations. Use empowering statements. Practice. Be thankful for what you have. Inspired action. Take confident steps towards your goals. Meet Alex. By using these techniques, Alex achieved a fulfilling career and abundant happiness. Clear goals and daily visualization turn dreams into reality. Ready to attract wealth and happiness? Start today with clear intentions and visualization. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips, and check the bio for more help manifesting.